Hey, attention crypto gossipators, things are about to get interesting. Remember, not financial advice.
Hey guys, what is up? Hope everyone is doing well. Hope everyone's having an amazing day because I am as usual. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So here we've got Pepe, a very recognizable meme coin. You know, the image of Pepe the frog has been around for a long time, but Pepe, the coin itself, is relatively new, right? Relatively new by cryptocurrency standards, by meme coin standards, maybe already old. But the reason why I'm actually mentioning Pepe Coin is the fact that this could actually explode again. We're seeing a dip. We are seeing a very interesting chart, you know, and a lot of you are thinking, look, if I had invested anywhere here, I stayed up until this point, I would have changed my life-changing gains. Yes, guys, all of us have the same type of feeling, but you never know, and it's fine. You know, you shouldn't be hard at yourself and give yourself a hard time because there's many more opportunities. We're going into the most exciting time in the past 4 years. You know, the whole market is going alive. Out season after the Bitcoin halving, lots of money pouring in, lots of things. But why do I think Pepe has a chance to explode again, to pump, to break out? Now, it's very simple, right? Meme coins don't really carry much use case or utility, right? They're all based on that hype, on that interest. And Pepe luckily has managed to break through this, right? And it managed to peak market cap, massive, you know, 2.44 billion. Crazy numbers, obviously. It's up there with the top dogs like SHIB and Doge, and it has earned itself that place. So undoubtedly, when the money starts pouring into the meme narrative, you know, in the top 5, Pepe will definitely be a very hot choice for many investors. But another thing that makes me believe this has a lot of room for growth is the idea that Pepe has had 2 pumps so far. It has proved itself as a very volatile and flexible coin that can move when it does matter. So it has moved when all the memes started pumping in March, right? Beautiful upward movement, which has made people a ton of money. Volume poured into Pepe like no tomorrow. You know, we are seeing like 3 billion going in. That's very significant. Ladies and gentlemen, 3 billion in 24 hours. That's a crazy number. And these are the type of numbers that move meme coins, but this is just a small amount compared to what the alt is going to bring. So obviously it's very exciting. But also before that, you know, Pepe did pump. It went viral. Look at this. You know, this was the time where I remember I was looking and I was like, wow, this is insane. But will it manage to keep itself going? And guess what? Lots of people were saying, well, it's gonna rug, it's gonna sink, you know, this is an absolute joke. I've heard many influencers, and myself, I wasn't very sure, but guess what? It pumped again when it mattered. So when the alt season comes, we are expecting some multi-billion-dollar market caps for memes. We're expecting a lot of memes to be going through these market caps. If Doge did about 80 billion last bull run 4 years ago when there were less crypto users, when there was less interest for memes, why can't Pepe pump? Now, Pepe, in the times where it matters, it can do it. It can swing all the way up. We've seen it twice, and we will probably expect the third time. Now, another very important point that needs to be mentioned, apart from me just hyping it up, is the psychology behind many investors. Many investors out there, especially the new ones in cryptos, they're going to be diversifying. They're going to be looking for that safe, you know, ride that can also give them a nice 10x, 100x, those type of returns. So Pepe definitely has the graph to show it. But on top of it, you know, Pepe has proved many wrong, and Pepe just seems to be proving, like I said, you know, defying all the odds. That is the great thing about Pepe. And a lot of investors, they're going to be like, well, okay, so I missed this wave, and this is probably going to go into a third wave. We all know it's going to go into that motion because the alt is coming. So why not invest? Am I gonna lose out on it? Do I really want to start regretting again? Absolutely not. So yes, we're gonna see a lot of money pouring in, because that's the type of mentality that investors will have. They're gonna be like, well, I'm just gonna FOMO in. I don't want to lose the next wave. And looking at the Twitter account, I mean, look at this, Pepe, nearly 700K followers. That's a very strong Twitter account. So, and well, obviously it has other social medias. That put together, everyone hashtagging, everyone talking, everybody, copying the art, reposting it, really gives it that extra push, that extra, credibility. And we know that this frog has become just an absolute sensation. Everyone knows this frog. So I guess they want to have a piece of that frog, right? Since it has already produced great numbers, why won't it pump again? And it's definitely going to be, in many people's top three choice. I know it sounds crazy, because if we look at the market caps, I think Dog with Hat is higher, right? So let's look at this, ladies and gentlemen. Dog with Hat, number 3. Pepe dropped to number 4. But it doesn't matter because Pepe is producing more 24-hour volume than Dog with Hat. In volume, there is a crazy amount of interest behind it. Yes, it's not doing 1 billion today, but hey, 3/4 of a billion is still great. So has it got potential? Yes. Has it got interest? Yes. Hype? Yes. Do people know about it? Yes. Is it very extremely recognizable? Yes. Has it performed well in the past? Yes. Is the team active? Yes. Strong community? Yes. So it kind of ticks everything. And with these type of coins, what I like is that they can move. This is why I'm making this whole video, that because it can move, and when the out starts coming in, I believe it has a lot of potential, and it could gain, crazy amount of momentum, and who knows, might even go past SHIB or even Doge. You never know. So definitely worth checking out. Me personally, I have great confidence in it, so I'm personally going into this, spreading my portfolio, diversifying. I want to be making money from every single side. And on top of it, this has established itself to a point where for it to go down, it's very, very unlikely, right? It's already got a strong reputation. It's up there. And we've got, I think, Coinbase that still hasn't listed it. So looking down at the exchanges, guys, you can see it. And everybody's discussing. So who knows? Coinbase might actually do a quick listing before the alt starts, so they can make some nice money from the trading fees. But either way, guys, I'm gonna have to wrap it up here. Just a quick, video to explain to you everything, and for you not to forget about Pepe, because Pepe really made the news last year, and I think this year it is going to be doing the same thing. So thank you so much. I really do appreciate all the support. Let's keep going. Let's keep engaging, talking. All that great stuff matters, to push the algorithm and to get people really thinking about what is coming in the next few months, because these are life-changing moments. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.